Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NLST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price made a monster move today, and not even really necessarily today. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. The move essentially came in the final 30 minutes of the day. And then I guess today is Friday. So not only the final 30 minutes of the day, but the final 30 minutes of the week. So yeah, price big surge came in, and when you consider the price was, for the most part of the day down here, and now it closed up there, any rational person going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very, very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction type thing, a fake breakout? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at this red line at 48 cents, which I've talked about before. But let's get this initial update made, which comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, stating when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. So why is that? Well, let's just all hopefully agree on this logic that price movements with true power are going to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power, has genuine strength, the price isn't going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 48 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say something like this happens. I'm not saying it will, but just for example's sake. However, in this situation, behaves like that and then starts to work its way back upwards. So even after a pretty drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows right here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase, quote unquote, progress as 48 cents. As far as levels of resistance, in my opinion, at least not very important right now. For me, it's all about going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base, because as long as higher bases are built over time, everything else takes care of itself. So any way you look at it, just an absolutely insane move today, insane final 30 minutes. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.